All-new Ford F-Series Super Duty is built like never before with next-level capability, connectivity and technology. Ford, America's truck leader, today introduced the all-new 2023 F-Series Super Duty lineup of pickup trucks and chassis cabs. Redesigned inside and out, every Super Duty is built with unprecedented levels of work capability, ingenious new technology and a suite of cloud-based services for new levels of productivity. From F-250 pickup to the F-600 utility truck, Super Duty is the badge America's hardest working men and women have come to trust to get the toughest jobs done, said Jim Farley, Ford president and CEO. Super Duty customers are builders, the backbone of our communities and our economy. We poured every ounce of know-how and ingenuity we have into developing the truck of their dreams. Smarter, more powerful, full of clever features and technology. Ford Super Duty is not only the tool of choice for builders. It plays a significant economic role. Super Duty also is the preferred choice for essential industries with more than 50% market share in utility, mining, construction, and emergency response vehicles, according to S&P Global Mobility. F-Series Super Duty popularity also makes it a significant economic contributor to Ford Motor Company, generating more revenue than many Fortune 500 companies, including Southwest Airlines, Marriott International or Nordstrom reported for 2021. Super Duty is a name that is trusted to get the job done, and our customers have helped to make it the most popular commercial truck in America, bar none, said Ted Canis, CEO of Ford Pro. With state-of-the-art technology, including a 5G modem connected to a powerful ecosystem of productivity-boosting software and services, the all-new Super Duty can seamlessly shift from workhorse to office of the future. Every Super Duty features a Ford-designed and built 10-speed torque-shift automatic transmission, and every chassis cab model comes standard with a power takeoff connection to run added equipment, like boom lifts and plows. Four-wheel drive is now standard on XLT models and above. The new Ford Pro Upfit Integration System (UIS) is a game-changer for customers who rely on body equipment and upfits to accomplish a job, such as utility cranes or plows. This digital solution provides aftermarket equipment makers with improved access to Super Duty's electrical system and signals to seamlessly integrate and operate their hardware into the truck's digital displays. Cloud-based software connects to the UIS so equipment makers can add digital buttons that allow drivers to control their equipment from inside the truck. The system also allows for high levels of customization and safety interlocks, like preventing the transmission from shifting into drive with a raised boom lift. Pro Power Onboard is now available for Super Duty, featuring more exportable power than any heavy-duty pickup or chassis cab. The 2.0 kilowatts of output can power a job site or tailgate party. Power outlets are accessible inside the truck and cargo box, or they can be mounted on chassis cabs with a special outlet installation kit. Not just best-in-class capabilities, but best all-around experience. Approximately 96% of heavy-duty pickup owners use their trucks to tow, and with targeted best-in-class payload and towing for every trailer type, Super Duty ensures customers can haul with confidence. New available driver assist technologies designed to simplify the towing experience and build confidence include onboard scales with smart hitch that estimates cargo weight in real time and provides guidance on trailer tongue weight distribution directly on the center touchscreen, FordPass app or within the tail lamps. 360-degree trailer camera system that provides a bird's-eye view of the trailer to make maneuvering in tight spaces easier and with virtually no blind spots. Blind spot information system for fifth wheel and gooseneck that can be attached to a trailer to help identify when vehicles are next to a trailer and indicate this in the side view mirrors. Industry first available tailgate down camera and tailgate down reverse sensing system includes a new camera and reverse sensors in the top of the tailgate that provide visual and audible alerts when the tailgate is down to make backing up to a dock or hitching a gooseneck or fifth wheel trailer easier than ever before. Pro Trailer Hitch Assist automatically backs the truck up and aligns the conventional hitch ball to the trailer receiver. Trailer navigation plots routes that can be safely navigated with given trailer dimensions and weight to avoid potential issues with low bridges and tight turns. Our goal was to leave drivers with zero blind spots, even when towing the longest trailers, said Andrew Kernahan, Ford Super Duty chief engineer. Camera views provide every angle, from simulating a drone to making sure customers can see behind the truck even when the tailgate is down. Hitching and towing has never been easier. There's also new safety and security available technology that goes beyond camera angles. Intelligent adaptive cruise control with stop and go and lane centering automatically brakes and accelerates to a preset speed and helps keep the truck in its lane. Trailer Theft Alert will send an alert via the FordPass app should anyone attempt to disconnect the trailer when the truck is locked. Vehicle Security, available with a Ford Pro Telematics subscription, uses sensors to monitor impact and towing events and sends alerts even when the vehicle is off. Fleet Start Inhibit allows Ford Pro customers to schedule timeframes for when the vehicle can be started to improve confidence around fleet operations. Forward, reverse sensing system helps drivers by showing objects immediately in front of the vehicle and warns when objects are near the front or rear of the vehicle. Front and rear brake assist helps prevent low-speed collisions to help automatically protect against hitting objects that may otherwise be hard to see. Full-color head-up display helps keep eyes on the road by showing information right in the driver's line of sight that changes with driving mode. Powering businesses into the digital age. The 2023 Ford Super Duty is the first pickup in the United States with embedded 5G capability. AT&T's high-performance 5G network can deliver faster navigation, mapping and music downloads with higher quality than 4G. Super Duty's 5G modem from Qualcomm Technologies can also provide a Wi-Fi hotspot for up to 10 devices to help keep workers and families connected on the go, and support Ford Power-Up software updates while driving to keep making the truck better over time. The all-new Super Duty takes connectivity to the max with Ford Pro, the dedicated business focused on maximizing uptime, accelerating productivity, and lowering costs for commercial customers with a suite of connected vehicles, software, services, and financing. Super Duty small to large business owners will benefit from software tools such as Ford Pro Fleet Management Software and Ford Pro Telematics, which identify maintenance needs, vehicle locations, driver behaviors, wasted idle time, and more. Super Duty customers also receive access to Ford's 650-plus commercial vehicle centers, network of 300-plus upfitters, an expanding fleet of 700-plus mobile service vans, as well as Ford Pro Fin Simple, which makes vehicle leasing and purchasing easy and efficient. All-new tough and modern design inside and out. An all-new exterior includes 7 new grilles engineered to maximize cooling performance while under heavy loads. Signature C-clamp lighting creates a wide, planted look up front, while LED headlamps are now available on all trim levels. Long side vents are functional, reducing under-hood air pressure for improved aerodynamics. Customers looking to make a statement have new STX, Sport, and Black Asterisk appearance packages that offer trim, wheel, and paint combinations for a bit more style. The new XL Off-Road package, available on F250 or F350 models with 4x4 single rear wheels, adds rugged 33-inch tires, a raised air dam, water-fording axle vent tubes, skid plates, and an electronic locking rear differential. The Tremor Off-Road package includes a front-end lift and uniquely tuned suspension, a Dana front axle with limited slip differential and axle vent tubes, 35-inch Goodyear tires, unique 18-inch wheels, trail control, Selectable drive modes including a rock crawl mode and new for this year, trail turn assist. The in-cabin experience is further enhanced with 8-inch center display that comes standard on the XL model, and a 12-inch display standard with higher trim levels. Customizable 12-inch digital instrument cluster. 4 USB power ports and available wireless charging pad. Center console slot that holds a tablet upright to make using it easier when parked. Max recline seats that fold almost horizontal and lift the seat bottom up for a nearly flat surface to maximize comfort during downtime. 640-watt, 8-speaker B&O sound system TM or an optional 1080-watt, 18-speaker B&O Unleashed sound system by Bang & Olufsen TM for a fully immersive audio experience. Alexa built-in hands-free experience with complimentary connectivity to Alexa for up to 3 years.